From bustling cities to serene landscape, join me on these adventures. Familia Estuya Travel Diaries.
On our journey toward the breathtaking Niagara Falls, we made a memorable stop at the Corning Museum of Glass, a hidden gem nestled in the town of Corning, New York. This detour was perfectly arranged as part of our tour package, and it turned out to be an unexpected highlight of our road trip. The museum is a world-renowned centre, dedicated entirely to the art, history, and science of glassmaking. From the moment we walked in, we were captivated by stunning glass sculptures, ancient artifacts, and live glass-blowing demonstrations that showed the incredible craftsmanship behind each piece.
In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony, a love so pure and free. You are my heart's desire, your soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete, our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete, our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love that's known.
Just under an hour's drive from Corning, we arrived at Watkins Glen State Park, home to the breathtaking Gorge Trail, one of the most iconic natural attractions in upstate New York. Nestled in the heart of the Finger Lakes region, this trail offers an unforgettable walk through a landscape shaped by water and time.
My knees are killing me. Ay, sa bababa. Sabi mo walang tubig.
Saan daw tayo ba?
Agoy. Agoy. It's gonna be toilet run. Binubuhat lang. Kung nga rin buhatin mo ako. Okay. Siguro yung mga kuha ko. Hindi niya na-record nung una.
Ako kayo.
Yorker. Nature edition. Come. We're going down to see the waterfall. We're following the George Trail. It's named after George Washington. Hindi ko actually alam. Joke lang. My knees are killing me. Okay, yeah. Show the trail. Show the trees. Show the other trees.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Okay. You guys see the water? That's where we're going right now. And my shoes are not. Show me my shoes. Show them my shoes. Oh, yeah.
What do you want?
George
Video?
Trail.
Video? That's video only.
Nakwawa na. Ika.
Yeah, it is.
Hey guys, are you sure it's recording?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so as you can see, show the view.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going down now to the falls. Now that we're nearing, you can hear the water. I don't know if the water's like pure and clean, so I don't think you can drink it. It's so funny.
As we stepped onto the trail, we were immediately surrounded by towering stone walls, lush greenery, and the soothing sound of rushing waterfalls. The path winds through the gorge, crossing stone bridges, climbing 800 stone steps, and revealing 19 waterfalls, each more stunning than the last. Highlights like Rainbow Falls and Cavern Cascade felt like scenes straight out of a fantasy novel, where water tumbles over cliffs and disappears into misty pools.
You can take us now. We're entering the spiral tunnel. We'll keep it into it. But we have to be careful. Because it's kind of wet and moist, we have to like be careful. My shoes are gonna get this exposed. You can ice the balls.
Though the trail has some steep sections, the cool shade and the reward of jaw-dropping views at every turn made it well worth the effort. The unique geological formations, combined with the constant sound of flowing water, created a serene yet powerful experience, a perfect contrast to the buzz of city life and the artistic vibe of Corning.
it through the waterfall. Share mo ako.
Go na. Ito na ako. Sige na. Isusum ko. Beach.
Okay, guys, we're going in a tunnel. Can you tell that hawak lang mo yun? That's not a bad hike. It's only a mile. Hey guys. Yeah, let's go. I have nothing to say but then just walk. What? I don't know. I should survive. That's good. Andito sila dito lang. Hey guys.
Oh, I see what you mean about me being in the corner. That's funny.
Exploring Watkins, Glen Gorge Trail, was a refreshing reminder of nature's artistry, adding a whole new dimension to our journey en route to Niagara Falls.
Kailangan natin balikan for
After soaking in the natural beauty of Watkins Glen Gorge Trail, we continued our journey through the heart of the Finger Lakes region, cruising along the scenic shores of Seneca Lake, the largest and deepest of the Finger Lakes. This route through Seneca Lake wasn't just a transition. It was an experience in itself, a tranquil reminder of New York's diverse beauty, where dramatic cliffs and waterfalls give way to peaceful waters and vineyard-lined hills.
my boats. Yeah, I own all of them. Every single one of them. All of the white boats are mine. You get it? Because all of them are white.
Thanks for being part of this journey with us. We look forward to seeing you again soon on our Niagara tour.
Hear the sounds of that boat.